Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. Which of the following is a defining feature of prokaryotic cells? A. Presence of a true nucleus. B. Absence of membrane-bound organelles. C. Multicellular organisms. D. Presence of chloroplasts. Answer: B. Absence of membrane-bound organelles. Explanation: prokaryotic cells, such as bacteria, lack membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, chloroplasts, and a true nucleus. Their genetic material is not enclosed within a nuclear membrane. Which of the following is an example of a heterotrophic organism? A. Cyanobacteria. B. Green plants. C. Fungi. D. Blue-green algae. Answer: C. Fungi. Explanation: fungi are heterotrophic organisms that obtain their food by decomposing organic matter. They absorb nutrients from their surroundings, unlike autotrophic organisms like green plants and cyanobacteria, which produce their own food through photosynthesis. Which of the following kingdoms is characterized by the absence of a cell wall? A. Monera. B. Plantae. C. Animalia. D. Fungi. Answer: C. Animalia. Explanation: members of the kingdom Animalia lack a cell wall, while organisms in the kingdoms Monera, Plantae, and Fungi possess cell walls. Animal cells have a flexible plasma membrane but no rigid cell wall. Which of the following organisms does not belong to the kingdom Monera? A. Streptococcus. B. Amoeba. C. Escherichia coli. D. Mycoplasma. Answer: B. Amoeba. Explanation: amoeba belongs to the kingdom Protista. Streptococcus, Escherichia coli, and Mycoplasma are prokaryotic organisms and belong to the kingdom Monera. In the hierarchy of biological classification, which of the following is the most inclusive? A. Species. B. Genus. C. Family. D. Kingdom. Answer: D. Kingdom. Explanation: the kingdom is the highest taxonomic rank in the biological classification hierarchy and is the most inclusive. It encompasses a wide variety of organisms. Species is the lowest and most specific rank. Which kingdom contains organisms that are both autotrophic and heterotrophic? A. Monera. B. Protista. C. Fungi. D. Animalia. Answer: B. Protista. Explanation: protists can be either autotrophic, e.g. algae, or heterotrophic, e.g. protozoans like amoeba. This kingdom includes a diverse group of unicellular organisms with various nutritional modes. Which of the following statements about viruses is true? A. They have a true cellular structure. B. They can reproduce independently. C. They are obligate intracellular parasites. D. They belong to the kingdom Monera. Answer: C. They are obligate intracellular parasites. Explanation: viruses cannot reproduce independently. They require a host cell for replication, making them obligate intracellular parasites. They do not have a true cellular structure and are not classified in any kingdom. Which of the following organisms shows characteristics of both plants and animals? A. Fungi. B. Euglena. C. Paramecium. D. Hydra. Answer: B. Euglena. Explanation: Euglena exhibits characteristics of both plants and animals. It can photosynthesize like plants when exposed to sunlight, autotrophic, and can also ingest food particles like animals, heterotrophic, in the absence of light. Which of the following scientists proposed the five-kingdom classification system? A. Linnaeus. B. Darwin. C. Robert Whittaker. D. Haeckel. Answer: C. Robert Whittaker. Explanation. Robert Whittaker proposed the five-kingdom classification system, which includes Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. This system is based on cell structure, mode of nutrition, and other characteristics. Which of the following taxonomic ranks includes organisms that are more closely related? A. Class. B. Order. C. Genus. D. Family. Answer. C. Genus. Explanation. Organisms in the same genus are more closely related to each other than those in the same family, order, or class. The genus is a lower taxonomic rank than family or order and groups species that share a close evolutionary relationship. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.